Welcome to Daily Sync, your concise source for today's top stories, tech insights, entertainment buzz, wellness tips, and more. I'm Alex Harper.
And I'm Jordan Bennett. Let's dive into today's headlines.
Good morning. It's February 21st, 2025. From Trump's tariff warning to BRICS nations to OpenAI rolling out its AI agent and Netflix's billion-dollar investment in Mexico, we're here to keep you informed.
Let's dive in.
President Donald Trump has issued a stark warning to BRICS nations, made up of Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, threatening tariffs as high as 150% in response to what he calls an attack on the U.S. dollar. The administration accuses BRICS of working to undermine the dollar's dominance through alternative trade agreements. Meanwhile, South Korea is scrambling to secure an exemption from these potential tariffs, citing its long-standing trade alliance with the U.S. If enacted, these tariffs could significantly impact global trade flows and deepen existing tensions between the U.S. and emerging economies.
A federal court has blocked the Biden administration's Save Loan Repayment Program, a generous initiative that would have significantly reduced student debt for millions of borrowers. The court's decision not only derails this particular program, but could set a precedent for further limitations on student loan forgiveness efforts. Analysts say this ruling may force the White House to reconsider its approach to student debt relief.
Alibaba's shares jumped 13% in Hong Kong following an upbeat earnings report that exceeded analyst expectations. The company announced new investments in AI-powered e-commerce, signaling an aggressive push into artificial intelligence. With China's tech sector facing regulatory crackdowns, Alibaba's performance is being closely watched as an indicator of the country's broader economic recovery.
In technology, electric vehicle maker Rivian has finally achieved a key milestone: its first positive gross profit of $170 million in Q4 2024. However, the company still posted a net loss of $4.7 billion for the full year. The profits were largely driven by cost reductions and regulatory credit sales, a tactic Tesla has famously used to boost revenue. With a projected 46,000 to 51,000 vehicle deliveries in 25, Rivian is edging closer to sustained profitability, but whether it can scale efficiently remains to be seen.
OpenAI has officially rolled out its AI-powered assistant, Operator, to multiple countries. This tool is designed to act as an advanced digital assistant capable of handling complex customer service tasks, research inquiries, and even certain creative writing applications. With OpenAI's growing footprint in AI automation, industry experts believe this could mark the beginning of a new wave of AI-driven enterprise solutions.
Microsoft has unveiled Magma, a multimodal AI agent capable of both interpreting and interacting with real-world and digital environments. Unlike traditional AI chatbots, Magma integrates vision, speech, and text processing into a single foundation model, enabling it to navigate software interfaces and even operate robotic systems. If Microsoft delivers on its promise, this could be a game changer in the AI space. Today's hot topic: is the FTC's tech censorship investigation justified?
The FTC's inquiry into tech censorship is a necessary step. Social media platforms wield enormous power over public discourse, and there needs to be accountability for how content moderation decisions are made. If companies are systematically silencing certain viewpoints, that's a competitive issue as much as it is a free speech issue.
But let's be real. These are private companies, not government institutions. They have every right to enforce their own content policies, just like a business can decide who it serves. If people don't like it, they can take their business elsewhere. Regulation shouldn't be weaponized to force platforms to host harmful or misleading content.
That's true to an extent, but these platforms are monopolies. Where's the alternative? If a company like Meta controls 90% of the social media market, should they have unchecked authority to decide what's acceptable speech?
Sure, but remember, this isn't the government cracking down on speech. It's a corporation setting community standards. We don't want politicians deciding what content is allowed, do we?
Maybe not, but we also don't want Silicon Valley executives to be the ultimate arbiters of free expression. A balance needs to be struck.
Well, let's just hope that balance doesn't end up in a 10,000-page government document that no one actually reads.
In business, the CEO of DeepL, a popular AI translation company, has openly criticized Microsoft and OpenAI's claims that artificial general intelligence, AGI, is within reach. He argues that while AI has made significant strides, true AGI, systems capable of human-like reasoning and adaptability, remains far off. His comments have reignited debates about whether AI firms are overhyping their capabilities to attract massive funding.
In a major shift, Niantic is reportedly selling its Pokemon Go division for $3.5 billion as it pivots toward augmented reality experiences. HP, meanwhile, has acquired Humane's failed AI pin project, hoping to salvage some of the company's ambitious wearable tech concepts.
Japanese officials are reportedly lobbying Tesla to invest in Nissan as part of efforts to revitalize the struggling automaker. A potential Tesla-Nissan deal could reshape Japan's auto industry and bolster Tesla's presence in the Asian market.
In entertainment, YouTube is planning to introduce a cheaper ad-free subscription tier, giving users an alternative to its current premium plan. The new package, dubbed Premium Lite, will launch in the US, Australia, Germany, and Thailand, targeting users who primarily consume non-music content.
Netflix has announced a massive $1 billion investment in Mexico, with plans to produce 20 films and TV series annually over the next 4 years. This move underscores the growing importance of Latin American content for streaming giants looking to expand their international audiences.
In health and wellness, psychologists say small positive interactions throughout the day, like a quick chat with a barista, a shared laugh with a coworker, or a friendly wave to a neighbor, can significantly improve overall well-being. These micro moments of connection release oxytocin, the hormone associated with trust and bonding, helping to boost mood and reduce stress.
Today's challenge: take 30 seconds to express appreciation to someone, whether it's a text, an email, or a simple thank you. Small gestures can have a big impact. That's all for today's episode of Daily Sync. Thank you for joining us.
Don't forget to subscribe, rate, and share. Have a wonderful day, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow.